Are you ready to elevate your service game? Welcome to Concierge Skills Training, your path to becoming a luxury hospitality expert. In this course, you won't just learn to assist, you'll learn to create unforgettable experiences. From five-star hotels to private residences, every interaction matters. Discover the different types of concierge services that can set you apart. Master the essential skills every concierge needs to thrive. Learn the art of professional etiquette and how to excel in any work environment. Explore the principles for launching your very own concierge business. Whether you're just starting or looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Equip yourself with the mindset and tools to deliver exceptional service every time. Remember, turn every guest interaction into a lasting impression, because excellence isn't just an act, it's a habit. Enroll now and step into the world of professional service excellence.